Hello, Francis Shefter.
Hello, Allison.
All right, this is your video testimonial, which means I'm going to ask you some questions and I'd like you to look at the camera and tell me your answer. And so the first question I have for you is, what was the best thing that you experienced from the Marketing for the Masters retreat?
So the best thing for the Marketing Masters retreat, I would have to say, is just meeting all of the other attorneys that are in the same space. So the networking opportunity in addition to all of the learning, because the networking opportunity kept us all learning after the fact and implementing everything we learned because we made accountability groups amongst ourselves.
Okay. What was your biggest takeaway from the retreat?
The biggest takeaway was there's definitely things that I can do on my own before I'm ready to make a financial investment, that we learn lots of little marketing tricks that are easy to implement, and I'm technologically challenged. I'm older and technology is not my forte, but things were taught in a way that I can even do it. So it was encouraging to know that I can make a difference in my marketing plan myself.
Okay, what sorts of things did you learn?
How to improve my SEO on Google, and how to market and reuse content. Just like if you make one thing, how you can cut and use that, like a post for Facebook, how you can then use it to Instagram, or your Instagram posts, how to make a carousel for, I think it was for, well, Twitter to Instagram carousel, and then LinkedIn and so forth, so that it was just that you could do one piece of content and get it all over the place.
Okay, so compared to other business conferences that you've attended for lawyers, how would you describe Marketing for the Masters?
So what I love about Marketing for the Masters is it was so much content in the whole weekend, but broken down into itty bitty pieces that were understandable for those of us that don't know marketing. We don't have marketing degrees. I mean, we're all lawyers. We don't know from marketing, business, all of that, but it was everything that you need to know about marketing in little pieces that were understandable, so that not only could I do it myself, but if I choose to hire somebody to do it, I know what questions to ask and what to look for, and to make sure that the marketing person I hire is doing the correct things.
So how does that compare to conferences that you've attended, other conferences that you've attended for lawyers?
I mean, other conferences I've felt like there was another conference I went to, I'm thinking of, and it just felt more salesy. Like there were people talking, and it seemed like they were pitching and trying to sell other things to me. Allison did such an amazing job bringing in marketing specialists, but they were not selling to us at all. There was like no sales pitch whatsoever. It was more giving us content that was so valuable that we could use. And at the end of the retreat, I didn't feel like, oh, she just wanted to try to sell me more, or her people just wanted to try and sell me something. This team really cared and really want my business to succeed.
Okay, all right. Right, let me ask you to fill in fill in the blank to this question. I would recommend Law Firm Mentor to a law firm owner because.
I would recommend Law Firm Mentor to a law firm owner because it's more than just a coaching system. It's a family. Allison grew her own law firm before she started the Law Firm Mentor. So she's been there, she's done it. She's done everything she's teaching us. So she knows what she's talking about. It's not just some Joe Schmo saying, oh yeah, this is what you need to do, that's never built their own law firm. And it's just the people that are the members, we're a family. We truly are. One of the members calls it an incubator, that it's just such a totally safe space and so much more than just coaching. I've grown in such amazing levels in the few months that I've been involved, that my law firm is growing, but I'm growing also. And that's overflowed into my personal life and how my relationships with friends and family and my husband, because the mind shift is so amazing that it's more than just do this to grow your law firm. change your mind to get yourself to where you need to be and where you deserve to be.
All right. Is there anything else that you'd like to share about this retreat experience?
It was just awesome. If you've never done a retreat with Allison, you need to do it. This is the third one I've done with her. All have been virtual. Amazingly done virtually. I was unsure on if I could stay focused or not, but it was so well done. It was so easy to stay engaged and focused. I can't wait for the ones that are going to be in person.
All right. And there we go.